Hello, everybody, and well, how are you doing on this wonderful Friday? It looks like it's gonna rain, but I think I should be heading on home because I haven't even had my dinner yet, and I had just had a smoothie from the mall, and I can't remember what the name of the smoothie was. Oh, strawberry and banana. And I got it from the mall, and it was from that little stand that I always go to. I get the coffee over there. I can't remember the name of that stand. I get it all the time. I don't think I should take my jacket off. Well, anyways, I get it all the time at this little stand in the mall, and Maui Wowie, that's it. If you know what Maui Wowie is, then you know where to get that drink. Or the coffee, or what do they call it? The coffee, hot chocolate, and you could also get smoothies. But they are really good, so if you're missing out, you need to try it. And they have this coffee thing that's only around Thanksgiving and Halloween. It's pumpkin spice latte. You can either get it hot or you can either get it frozen. Which I like getting mine frozen, which is awesome. If you guys like coffee, stop by and get yourself a pumpkin latte. They are awesome. Or just stop by and say hi to me, because I'm around. I go to the mall every week. Not every day, but every week. Add me on my social media sites. Yes, I do have a Facebook. I'm not on it every day because people are really mean on there. You know that. I really hate it. I just post pictures, and I'm sick of people just bullying me on there. I'm sick of being bullied. Sick of people being mean to me. I don't know what to do anymore. I just think everybody's just mean. Anyways, I love you guys, and I actually love you guys. If it wasn't for you, I don't know what I would do anymore. And I think you guys are amazing and awesome. From deep down in my heart, it is telling me just to be there for one another. Just be there for them, and be there for your friend. Just don't let them be alone. Just go love them. But in the Bible it says to love one another and to just be there by their side. And to give thanks to one another as well. And if you don't know what that means, then I don't think you know. Well, I love you guys. It says to love one another too. I love you all. I am happy that I have you guys. Oh yeah, and I didn't get to go to the fair either. My mom didn't even let me go today. I asked her twice if I could go, and she said no. I don't know. I really, to be honest with you. Well, anyways, how are you guys doing today and on this wonderful Friday that it might rain? It might rain. Or I think it's just gonna be overcast. It's just cool. Just overcast. It looks nice. It's not bad, but it's very nice. Just overcast. I'm actually happy that it did rain this morning. It's not very cold. Well, it was hot yesterday, where it's getting like cool. To be the truth, to be honest, I'm walking across the street. Anyways, if any of you do know me in Florida, or if any of you do have me on Facebook, please, quit feeding around the bush, and because I'm alone, I don't have anybody to talk to. People are mean here. I'm hurt all the time. I just got bullied last week on Facebook. Well, not on Facebook, on Instagram. I hurt. I love you guys, but most of the time, I am getting bullied. And it's not even me, it's them. I just wanted to make new friends. Or just wanted to meet new people. I don't know. I don't even have a girlfriend. I don't have anything. I kind of feel alone. I'm sorry, guys. I love you all. I feel this way sometimes. But I promise, me and you will go on adventures, and I promise. I just haven't been on here in a while because I've been doing other things, and I'm sorry, I just haven't been on here. Well, yesterday was on here. It's just I haven't been able to do anything. We will get to do things. Don't worry. It will turn up. I promise. It will turn up. I hope you guys are blessed today, because I am, and I'll put it behind me, and that's the past. It's the past.